Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify on mobile. The official Shopify mobile app is your essential tool for managing your online store directly from your smartphone or tablet. It provides a comprehensive suite of features, allowing you to oversee your business operations whether you are at home, in the office, or on the move. This powerful application ensures you stay connected and in control of your e-commerce venture at all times. With the Shopify mobile app, managing your product catalog is incredibly simple. You can effortlessly add new items, complete with high-quality photos taken directly from your phone, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing. Updating existing product information, adjusting variants, or modifying stock levels takes just a few taps. The app also provides real-time inventory tracking, helping you avoid overselling and ensuring your customers always find what they need. The app streamlines your order fulfillment process, allowing you to view new orders, mark them as fulfilled, and even print shipping labels directly from your mobile device. You can easily communicate with customers, responding to inquiries or providing updates on their purchases. Accessing detailed customer profiles, including their order history and contact information, is straightforward, helping you build stronger relationships and provide excellent service. Stay informed about your store's performance with the app's robust analytics. You can monitor daily sales figures, track revenue, and see your average order value at a glance. Detailed reports provide insights into your top-selling products and customer behavior. This immediate access to crucial data empowers you to make informed decisions and adapt your strategies quickly, ensuring your business continues to thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.